what are the what are the main objects of your resume is. आपके रिज्यूमे में कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए. योर रिज्यूमे इज़ अ क्लियर वन पेजर that is attractive resume for companies. I will write everything for you guys. Your resume will be a one pager resume. You have to show your main projects with an GitHub link on your resume. I know if you guys don't know what is GitHub, so I will tell you each and everything in this video. Just watch this video till end. Okay, so I will tell you what are the main objects of your resume. आपके रिज्यूमे में क्या क्या मेन होना चाहिए. And in the end of this video I will tell you how to make resume with AI. But AI will make your resume, but you have to know what is in your resume, because in interview interviewer can ask every question from your resume. So about it. So let me tell you what are the main five headings of your resume. First, your resume has an intro of yourself. Who are you? In which field you are working? Whom are you? In which field you have expertise? Just ignore my spelling mistakes, just how you ignore subscribe button. In which field you have expertise, and you can also tell about yourself. That has no problem, but make sure that your intro wait make sure your intro is in last to last 4 to 5 lines. Okay, first is intro, then second is your experience, next second is your education, from which college you pass out, from which institute you pass out, from which school you pass out. Your highest to highest education is your power in your resume. You can tell your every education, every and each and every step of your education in your resume. That is the most powerful point in your resume. Okay, so you have to add your education sector, in which you have to tell your education of schools and your college and your institute or your master degree and anything else you studied. So you have to add that in your education sector. Okay, so next third step is experience. If you are fresher, so you can ignore this column, but as my advice, please do not ignore this column as a fresher also, because you have an experience of education in your school and colleges. So just make projects and use them projects in your experience section also. And if you are a job ready person and you are also doing job in any of the company, just add your experience, your certificates, your everything of your past companies in your experience section column. Okay, so next other fourth step is projects. Sorry. You have to add your projects, and this is the superpower of your resume. You have to add your projects. You have to add everything you did in your life, in your field. As if you are data analyst or data scientist, you do anything. Just make your projects and show them. That's the superpower of your job. That's superpower of your portfolio. Okay, so these are the four main things that are important for your resume. Last main thing is GitHub. Most of you guys know GitHub, and if you don't know GitHub, I will tell you what is GitHub. GitHub is a website that stores your portfolio, and it is the superpower of your resume. You have GitHub. You have to upload your projects on GitHub, and GitHub will provide a link for your projects, and you have to add that links on your resume. And that is super easy. That is not any complicated. You can search how to make a GitHub project on YouTube, or otherwise you can comment on this video. I will make another video for you. Make sense? Uh, Okay, so you have to add GitHub links in your projects, and everything you have to add. as a GitHub link your education. See, mainly you have to add your projects in your GitHub link, because a interviewer or a hire on or an HR always see your projects, and always they always keep an eye on your works. So it is very important to make a link on your GitHub and upload on your resume. If you don't know how to make a resume on a MS Word, I will tell you on any another video. Just comment down, or you can search it on any another video on YouTube also. I don't have any problem, because the title of this YouTube is how to make a resume with the help of AI. So today I will tell you what are the objectives of your resume, sorry, and how to make your resume with AI, a super power resume with AI. Super powerful resume. My bad. You have to just nothing. You have to add every link, every certificate link or education certificate links. If you have education certificate links, you can also add. It makes an powerful impression कि you have everything as a proof in your resume to add in your PDF. You have to add your LinkedIn profile. You have to make your LinkedIn profile, and you have to add a Gmail also. Your working Gmail, please. You have to working Gmail. You have to add your working Gmail also. Okay, so I think you guys understand, and now I tell you how to make your resume with AI. Just very very thank you. आप यहाँ तक आ गए मेरी वीडियो में. So you have to do just nothing, and I will tell you. Just go. Just go on this. Just go on Google and type Cloud AI. Just first go on LinkedIn profile. First go on your LinkedIn profile. First go on your LinkedIn profile, and you can see here resources. Just add save to PDF. Your PDF is downloaded. You can see. See, but this is not your resume. Then go to Cloud AI. Just go to Cloud AI and just do a simple step, and your resume is hell ready. Okay, so you have to add your that LinkedIn PDF, and you just have to add a prompt. Give a one pager. ATS-friendly resume. That showcase all my experience. Achievements and skill set. And land me a job interview. At Google. Create a latex code. Just ignore my spelling mistakes. And make sure you have to add Sonnet 4.5 in this. Now you have to go on Overleaf. Just the time our cloud is generating our code. Just go to the website of Overleaf. See, I have an past made projects. My resume also is made from Overleaf, so you can write anything in your resume. Just copy that code from here and just cut it down and paste it in here and just recompile. So your AI generated resume is ready, and you can see here your data analyst link of my Gmail is here, LinkedIn link is here, my location is here, my professional summary, my technical skills, my professional experience, key projects, education, and certificates, and their links are also available in this AI made resume. And this is a super powerful resume in your 2025 and 2026 job ready skills person. So You have nothing to do, just download this resume, and if you like this video, just share it and like it and subscribe it and nothing else. Okay, so goodbye guys.